let's have some fun. And now we are going to learn 12 months, everyone. I'm January, full of cheer. Happy new start, a brand new year. I'm February, short and sweet, full of love and hearts that beat. I'm March with flowers bright, springtime days, a lovely sight. I'm April with the rainbow sky, raindrops fall and colors fly. I'm May with sunshine bright, ice creams make the day's delight. I'm June with rainy days, green trees grow in happy ways. I'm July with summer fun, fireworks sparkle, everyone. I'm August, warm and true, juicy fruits are here for you. I'm September, back to school, golden leaves and learning's cool. I'm October, spooky night, Halloween gives kids delight. I'm November, cozy and kind, thankful hearts we always find. I'm December, full of cheer, snow and joy end the year. Hi friends, come along with me. Now we are learning 4 seasons, yippee! I'm spring with flowers new, colors bright and sky so blue. I'm summer, hot and bright, ice creams make the day's delight. I'm autumn, leaves fall down, red and gold across the town. I'm winter, cold and fun, snowflakes sparkle, everyone.